HydraPulse is a multi-agent civic decision intelligence platform for Hyderabad. It unifies live traffic conditions, air quality readings, short-term AQI forecasts, and citizen-reported issues, potholes, garbage, loading into a single conversational assistant. So a resident can ask a plain language question and get one clear, reasoned recommendation instead of checking three different apps and guessing. Let us see what it will answer. Is Kokatpalli traffic bad right now? Should I leave now for a 30 minutes? It is consulting HydraPulse agents. BigQuery ML trained an ARIMA model on hours of accumulated air quality data. So the agent can answer about the future, not just right now. Now it answered the highest AQ in Hyderabad is in Polaram industrial area at 156, which is considered unhealthy. The lowest AQI is at Central University with a reading of 4, which is in the good category. So it answered very nicely. So we ask one more question. Any potholes reports near Amirpet metro station? See what it will answer. Enter the code. Cloud scheduler triggers cloud functions every 10 to 15 minutes, pulling the traffic and air quality data into BigQuery. BigQuery ML forecast trends, ADK agents reason overall of it through Gemini, served live and Cloud Run. Here it is answered yes, a medium severity pothole was reported near Amirpet metro station on July 5, 2026. That is today. This is fully deployed system, public URL, real cloud functions, a public GitHub repo, not a local prototype. Thank you.